Hello all you beautiful, fabulous people out there. Today, I will be doing an unboxing of Ben Stiller's Zoolander, the exclusive Walmart steelbook. And this looks pretty stunningly gorgeous, if I must say myself. And, yeah, you can pick this up at Walmart right now for around $15 and like a couple pennies or whatever. And, yeah, so Zoolander 2 is out right now. Don't watch that, because that looks like trash. But I gotta say, the first Zoolander was really good. Not really good, but just pretty stunningly good. And this is the blue steelbook. Zoolander, there's the title, there's the back. All the special features. And now I shall take off the beautiful packaging. There's the steelbook in all its glory. And then one of Zoolander's best quotes, Derek Zoolander. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more to life than being really, really ridiculously good looking. Derek Zoolander. Open it up and get the original DVD artwork. That was beautiful. And then here's the Blu-ray. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Goodbye. Au revoir.